Hi guys, today we're going to use the servo. So I also bought the servo. You can see, never, if you want to building the long FPV, never buy the cheap servo, please. Is always have a good quality, around $7 or something. So make sure have a good quality of the servo. Cheap never work, because when you lose, you're going to lose a lot of money. So watch out what I'm doing it. Here we go. That will work for you. Come a little more down here, so you can cut it on the sides. Alright, so when you open your, we see the 3 is the same size and 1 is the bigger. So I think bigger is for the rotor, and that's the 3 same size is for the elevator. So what I do basically, for have a good things, take the servo arm out, just a one, put this one inside. After you put it, you just need to a little bit see which way you want to put it. So have a look. So this, the servo edge is goes this side, and now you take the everything should be in the 90-degree. So because when you use your OSD, it make a hell lot of difference. So this situation, what you do before you glue, you need to center your servo. I'll show you quick. Okay, just give me a second. Hey guys, I'll just show you how to do the balance. Just, you need your speed controller, and just power up your speed controller with your receiver, and then you just put it. Yep, and you can see the lights, and make sure, see. So what you do, you just put your servo into the receiver, like aileron or any channel you can, and see this, the aileron, you can have a look, it's moving. Just as close, try to put into the 90-degree. And so take your glue. Do you remember magic glue I'm using? It's come with this plan, and I can tell you, you don't need a lot, because sometimes you need to take it out. So I always just go in the sides, just tiny bit. Oh, don't go on the bottom. And I think it does work. You don't need more than a lot, trust me. Have a look. It's already come out tiny bit. You just put it in the sides. Rehan, can you get the clothes, please? Okay, and then you also take your here in the hanger, just put not a lot. You can put a lot here. Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to put the your link rod and Alright, only the biggest one goes for your rudder, so, and rest 3 is similar to, so it's not big deal. So what you do, take your bag out, this little bit tiny and screw there. So you take your screw, see, just this one, and take the another black one, and you just use this one for your outside. You can see my hand, probably try to more focus for you so you can know exactly what I'm doing it. Here we go. So put one of this inside, and you just tiny bit make sure the hole is clear on there. So yeah, okay, now take your rod, this one, and do not use the bigger one. You can see the bigger one, there's the all size, only the one big one is for the rudder, so you can use later. The second, you need to your servo, this one here, servo mount, need to a little bit make a bigger hole. I should do so I use just like something, you can see, and you can just push through, and it does work sometimes, but really painful, guys. But yeah, we got to do it, isn't it? But I don't mind. I can just cut tiny bit, and after you cut, you just push forward on the middle, and then you can, oops, I hope you're watching. And okay, so it's not looking 90 degree, it's supposed to be 90 degrees. So what I'm going to do, see on there on the bottom, so I'm going to put in the bottom hole. Home return launch is going to be really painful, guys, so always remember, you got to do everything as angle. So that's very quite close. You can see from here to this length is 90 degree. So I'm happy with that. So what you do, you can just hold exactly here and use your screwdriver and tighten it. So just tight enough, and that's your aileron Aileron Servo link rod done, guys.